Happy Pi Day, Trade Confident family. Today is March 14th, and we are seeing massive drops in the crypto market across the board. And today, with Ethereum showing breakout signals, this is not a great sign. We really need to be paying attention to the current daily time frame with highly bearish metrics. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about exactly where I think Ethereum is going next, how we're going to be buying the bottom, because overall, we are still in an uptrend. I think things are going to go up, but we are actively seeing a correction that we've been waiting for quite some time. Stay tuned. This is going to be a lot of information. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining us today, and if you enjoy this video, please remember to like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. As a heads up, our members have just seen two brand new trade wins, one for 7% in Doge and one for 4% in Link. This brings us to 159 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. And there are 4 potential new quality trade setups posted, so don't miss out on those. You can find our trade setups at the links right here. And if you want to be able to make these trades, the $650 off spring sale is on for our indicators. We've used these indicators to make every single trade that we've posted on the Trade Confident website. Do not miss out on this massive sale. It's one of the biggest we've ever done for these indicators. And with that, let's jump into the analysis. We're going to head back to the home page and scroll down to the Ethereum metrics. From here, we're going to check out the Ethereum emotional index. And after this drop, we've actually dropped into excited territory. This is great to see. It looks like the metric is beginning to catch up. But as a heads up, it's not typically until we fall into neutral or even anxious territory that we're usually seeing moves back up in the market. So we're going to be waiting for those two signals before we look for a possible entry. Next up, and this is probably one of the most important metrics today, the Ethereum volatility breakout detector is very nearly in the breakout zone. Now previously, when we break below the breakout zone, as you can see here, or even get close to it, this is where you're seeing really sharp moves in the market. This is exactly what we're seeing today. High volatility, really sharp move to the downside. You're going to notice most of the time, the breakout detector is showing sharp moves up. This is not always the case. This does not actually indicate direction, only that high volatility moves are about to happen. So we need to be very careful, very mindful of the Ethereum market moving forward. Next up, we need to be paying attention to what whales are doing. The Ethereum whale money flow relative to price chart shows that we do appear to be bouncing off of this structure support that we've talked about in previous videos, but I don't buy it. Typically, when whale money enters the market, we should be seeing moves back up as well. As you can see here, as whale money dropped out of the market, we saw drops in Ethereum. There is a chance that whales are actually buying this drop, but I don't think we've seen the bottom yet. There are major structure supports that we need to pay close attention to, and I'll show you that later in the live chart, so stay tuned. But if whale money continues moving into the market, it may not be as bad of a drop as we had previously anticipated. If whale money begins actually dropping and breaks below the structure support, it's game on for the bears, and we're going to see a pretty significant move to the downside. Last but not least is going to be the Ethereum trade signals chart. Now, every sell signal that we get does correspond to pretty significant drops, but typically those are bought up immediately. This is not the case for yesterday's sell signal. We are seeing continued drops, and I think along with the strong bearish signals from the rest of our metrics and indicators, this sell signal right here may be more significant than previous ones. We need to keep a close eye on that, and as the price drops, we want to look for a buy signal to indicate the next possible entry and move up. As this plays out, you need to be paying very, very close attention to the Ethereum metrics. They're updated every day at 8 a.m. Pacific time, and our members get access to the Ethereum metrics, along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website. As a heads up, members exclusively get the highest level of discount on our spring indicator sale. Members also are going to get access to the brand new trade setups. As you can see, we're 159 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. And of course, a brand new future forecast video coming out tomorrow. Do not miss out. The links are going to be in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the second link. Click that, and it's going to bring you to, once it loads, the membership page. Full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for. But hurry, because price increases to $65 a month are coming on April 20th. If you buy now, your price will not increase. So get this discounted price. The membership is going to include everything I just showed you and more. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. Yesterday, the Dinkun upgrade went live on the Ethereum mainnet. Apologies if I pronounced that wrong. Down here, the Dinkun upgrade was successfully rolled out on the Ethereum mainnet at 1:55 p.m. UTC on March 13th. Dinkun is the most anticipated hard fork since the merge and is expected to significantly reduce the transaction fees of Layer 2 networks and enhance Ethereum's overall scalability. While the Dinkun upgrade is a step in the right direction, it won't improve all the shortcomings of Layer 2 solutions, according to Arthur Brightman, apologies again if I mispronounced that, the co-founder of the Tezos blockchain. So, very big step in the right direction, significantly reduced gas fees on Layer 2 solutions. Now we just need to see reductions on the Layer 1 gas fees. All right, heading into the live charts, this is where you're going to want to pay very close attention. Today, we are trading Ethereum USD on the 1-day time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, trades in favor, and breakout detector indicators. Now, I want to talk to you about something. Right back here, we saw price versus well money flow high, we saw trades in favor high, we saw a sell signal, we saw a breakout zone reading. From that point, I'm going to go from the close of this candle to the close of the next candle down. It looks like we're actually going to have to extend this chart a little bit, but right here, close of the candle, close of the next candle down here, we saw a 14% drop. This is something that we need to be paying very close attention to. This combination of signals right here is something we need to be paying close attention to. I know I keep saying it, but it's really important. And that's because right now we see price versus well money flow high. We see trades in favor high. We see a sell signal. And I'm betting tomorrow we're going to see a move into the breakout zone. This combination is dangerous and we need to be prepared for larger drops in the market. In fact, I'm going to close this up now. You get the point. Breakout detector is close to breakout zone. In fact, we have already tried to push below the $3,894 support. If we manage to break through that, it's going to be very dangerous for Ethereum, and we could actually drop as far down as $3,581. Keep in mind, we need to break below the structure support, but from the current price, a move to that level is actually less than that 14% that we had talked about the previous time we got this combination of signals. It is well within the bounds of Ethereum and even the bull market because we still have not really made a higher low. Like there is a little bit right here. I don't think that really counts as a higher low. It would be very necessary at this point that we see a move down in order to see a consistent, healthy uptrend. We saw a higher low right here. We saw one right here. I guess we did technically see one right here, but it's within the bounds of a candle. We need to see a official higher low before we continue upwards in this market. It's what needs to happen for Ethereum to stay healthy. Now, I do want to point out on the 4-hour time frame, things are significantly more bullish. As you can see right here, we see price versus well money flow low. We see trades in favor low with an 89% chance of a pump after we had broken below this structure support. Now, here's the critical point. If on the 4-hour time frame, we reject this resistance at $3,894, I think this is actually going to create an official break to the downside and could be the catalyst that brings us all the way down to that $3,581 mark. Now, I know we have highly bullish signals on the 4-hour time frame, but at this point, we need to be paying closer attention to the 1 day. Now, as the price drops on the 1-day time frame, this should bring the price versus well money flow down because honestly, it's actually reverse. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go to. So if whale money drops, it'll drop the price as well. And as the price drops, it'll create downward momentum. And as downward momentum runs out and we get closer to the long trade zone, it'll show that Ethereum has been oversold. Same here. Whale money low shows whales have oversold on Ethereum. As we approach structure support, we'll be looking for a buy signal, and all three of these would line up to be extremely bullish. Now, if both the 1 day and the 4-hour time frame are lining up bullish, you can bet big moves are incoming. Now, from the current price, a drop down to the $3,587 level is going to be 7.75%. I'm thinking this is going to play out throughout the weekend. And next week, starting around Monday, I think that's when we're really going to be able to see bigger moves back up in the market. But traditionally in March, and especially during times before having events, it's not shocking to see drops. This is where whales are going to buy up a whole bunch of retail trader liquidity in order to bolster their own bags and in anticipation of the bull market, in anticipation of the halving event in Bitcoin that typically starts the parabolic moves in the crypto market. Now, I showed you the signals that we're going to be watching for in order to find a possible entry. We're going to be expecting a drop down to $3,581 for about a 7.75% move. Now, as this plays out, I'm going to do my best to keep you updated, but the crypto market is insanely volatile right now. You need to make sure you are updated hour by hour, day by day, week by week, no matter what happens. These indicators have helped us earn 159 wins, 0 losses in the last 12 months worth of trading. We are very nearly at 160. We are very easily going to hit 200 trade wins, 0 losses in this bull market. And it's all thanks to these indicators and the crazy risk management we offer in our membership. Now, right now, you caught us at a fantastic time. I can help you get a $650 discount, but time is running out. Do not miss out on our spring sale. If you want to get access, links are going to be down in the description below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Go ahead and click that, and it's going to bring you to our sale page. I told you earlier, members get a massive $250 discount, much, much cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Access the coupon code at this link, then click Pro Indicator Pack. From here, you're going to scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Go and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident. I will see you in the charts and the membership for those brand new trade calls. Don't miss out.